Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 20 by 20 canvas and I plan on doing 2 pours, just regular pours using 2 cups. To start out, we'll see. I may need to add another cup, but we're just going to start out with 2. So the colors that I'm using today, I've got phthalo turquoise, that's from the Fine Touch. I've got, this is blue, just regular blue from the Fine Touch. And then I've got navy that I mixed together using phthalo blue, violet, and black. I've got white, which is Artist Loft Acrylic. And another blue, and that is cobalt blue from FolkArt. And then this one here, I mixed 2 colors together, DecoArt Americana Bluegrass Green, and then this one is Mediterranean from Craftsmart. So, alright, so my plan is I'm going to put a few of the colors in this cup, and I'm going to pour this way, and then to about here. And then on this side, which is where I may need the extra cup, I'm going to put more colors in this cup and then pour this way. So it's like ribbon pours, I suppose. So I'm just gonna wing it. We'll see how it goes. So I'm actually going to start with the navy in this cup. I'm going to put a lot more navy. I want it to be darker on that side. So that's all the navy I have. So hopefully that will be enough. Put some air bubbles in there. I'm going to put 2 drops of silicone, 3-in-1. Now I'm going to I think I'm going to do this, the Mediterranean and the bluegrass green, and I'm going to pour that just over the top. This feels a little thick. Now I'm going to take the white and I'm going to come up a little higher, try to get it to go through the center. Okay. And I think I'm just going to give it a little zhuzh. Just two times. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so you know I couldn't leave well enough alone, and I just had to do the swiping, and I like it a ton better. You can just see there's just cells everywhere. It's really busy, but I feel like swiping and bringing the navy all the way through helps. I think it looks much better. Some of you may disagree, but that's all right. We don't always have to like everything everybody does. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out the links in my description, and have a great day. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. I really do like it now. The more I look at it, the more I like it. Now that I hung it on the wall, I think it turned out really, really good. This one was a challenge because it was just, nothing was going my way. From the initial pours to the balloon smash, the swiping, I think finally brought it all together. And I'm actually really, really happy with it now. It's going to take a lot of cleaning because of all the silicone. But this is the way that I originally poured it. I like it this way. But my family wants me to turn it because they like it this way. I still prefer it the other way. So let me know what you guys think, which way you think looks better. Alright, well there it is. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.